Good morning, guys. Just woke up, said my morning prayers, giving thanks to the universe. We're gonna head over to Secret Collision now to see what they have done with the Mustang. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so we finally made it here to Secret Collision, and they decided to collaborate with me to bring this Mustang back to life. So here I am with one of the workers at Secret Collision. Tell him your name.
Jose?
His name is Jose, and he's gonna help me bring this Mustang back to life. There's a lot of work to do on this, such as the body work with the bondo. There's some dents on the hood that we gotta get rid of, and on the roof. And it's gonna get a super sick paint job. What kind of paint are we gonna put on this?
We are going to use PPE, is one of the best brands in the world. Represent our shop, Secret Collision, and King Custom.
Heck yeah. King Customs. They're going to represent King Customs. We're going to represent Secret Collision. We're going to collab. We're going to put this together and make it look so sweet. I can't wait to have this in the car show. We're going to make it look nice. It has the nice rims. It has a super dope hood. And if you guys remember, we did have a space in the hood, this big gap that was here with the bumper, because this is a 2013 hood with a 2011 bumper. Well, the bumper's not here right now. It's actually over there, but we're going to fix all that. I got a guy who's gonna custom make a piece and make it look dope and sick. We're just gonna make this look super nice, so I can't wait till you guys see it. Stay tuned, and it's gonna look sweet. See y'all soon. Cars are like a work of art. You sculpt and add until you get your desired look. In our case, for this Mustang, we pull dents, remove paint, add filler, and sand away to achieve our perfect desired look. In order to make this vehicle into a show car, we have to clean up all the edges. Alrighty, guys, so Jaser right here, right now, is working on the Mustang on the door. He just finished, pulled out the dent from the top of the Mustang. Now he's working on the dent on this door. If you guys remember it was so weird, but he's fixing it, and he is awesome at that stud gun. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so today is day 2 of Jasir working on the body work. He is working on getting all the bondo, sanding down the doors, and then applying the bondo. So we are getting one step closer to paint. Let's get back to the B-roll. When doing body work, you must maintain a clean work area, as well as a clean surface. Any foreign objects in the body filler can mess your day completely up. To work with body filler, you must be light with the hand, but also move as fast as the wind. In order to activate the body filler, we use a hardener, which using too little can cause improper curing, or using too much can result in a quick dry time. We use a rasp to help us remove the excess filler. This saves us a lot of time with the sanding. This rubber wheel allows me to easily remove all the excess double-sided tape. To prep this car for paint, everything needs to be cleaned.